Hi, this is Patrick Dumais from Inaxsys Security Systems. Let's continue on our journey of LegendNX presentation. Today, we're going to show you how to enroll the NVR into our LegendNX cloud service so you can access the device with your cell phone. First thing, you need to go to the machine itself, right-click, go to Settings, go to Network. Into Network, you need to select P2P, peer-to-peer. Make sure it's enabled. If it's not, make sure, if it's like this, not enabled, make sure you select it, enable, and you click Apply at the bottom right here, so you activate it. Otherwise, it's not going to work. All right, so to download the application, you need to go to either the App Store for Apple or the Google Play Store. When you do go in there, just do a search for Legend space NX, search. Then you're gonna see it appear right down here. See, that's the one here. You don't see my finger, but it's right this one here. So when once downloaded, you can open it. Make sure when you open it to create an account. Once it's created, then you can add the machine. So to add the machine, it's pretty simple. There's a little, the three lines on the left side on top. Just select that, go to Devices. In the middle, there's a plus sign. If you already have a machine and you want to enroll a second one, the plus sign will not be there. It's the plus sign on the top right. So either one for the first machine does the same thing. So you can click plus. It's asking you to scan the QR code. That's the QR code on the screen, on the right side. That's this one here you need to scan. Right? So then it's asking you for a name. So I'm going to call it LegendNX. Patrick. There you go. And then just hit the little floppy disk thingy to save. Right? It's going to save. And when you open it, you're already connected to the device. So that was pretty easy. And in there you have all the functions, same functions as the NVR. So as a recap, you need to enroll the machine to be able to access it from your phone. Remember, LegendNX is a NDAA-compliant equipment manufactured and distributed by Inaxsys. For more information, please contact sales or go to our website at inaxsys.com. Thank you.